Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It has been next to forever since I have posted a video. Life just got really busy last year and kind of lost interest in the whole editing thing, and I filmed everything I did. I just didn't have the drive to edit, but we are back at it. First derb of the year. This is the annual charity event that my local club does. It's to help raise money for suicide awareness, which if you watched my video a couple years ago, unfortunately my best friend committed suicide. So yeah, it's for a good cause. Hopefully make a difference, raise some money to help others that need it. And so yeah, so I got to my first spot. I didn't have a great practice. There was no practice video. I did find this one area though that was holding some fish. So that's pretty much where we're at. And we're gonna kind of see where the day brings us. It's supposed to get pretty rainy and windy later. I don't think the rain's supposed to start till after the tournament, but it's supposed to get pretty gnarly with the wind. So you'd never believe it. Right now it's crystal glass here, but hopefully we can keep away from the mosquitoes. I got a thermocell and it seems to be doing all right, but the mosquitoes are friggin' horrendous. So anyways, I'm gonna quit yapping. We got about 10 minutes till the first launch, and we'll see you then. What's up, buddy? $6:30, let's do it. Nice. She is. First bass, 17 1/4. See you later, girl. Nice. Nice. Not very big, but it's a fish. Yeah. There she is, second fish, 13-incher. Give me a fun trip back. 2:30, I think. Are you going right now? I'm going with you. All right. Battle buddies. Did you just see that bass boat go through? He was doing like wheelies. Yes, sir. I think there's a couple guys sitting up there on shore. I think there's a couple guys sitting up there on shore. You're not even gonna use your motor? Yeah, I would. At least help to keep you straight. Yeah, see see the guys, they're on shore. I'm just gonna hug the friggin' shore. Yeah. Well, we can at least get up to them. There's 5 of them. You're right. What if we come over here and ask these people they can get on their boat ramp? Yeah, they do have a launch right there. I don't know, you want to go up and ask? Yeah. Might as well. Hey, mister. Yeah, Jose and I are stopping at this house to see if we can beach our kayaks here. I can't hear you. Yeah, it's hard with the wind. Oh yeah, I see the sheriff boat. Yeah. I'll let you know. Jose is walking up to the house right now. I mean, we're gonna have a bit of a walk to the trucks and stuff, but I'll let you know. All right, we'll see you. All right, that's a sheriff boat. We're gonna pull out here. Yeah, we got no choice. I just tried calling Berlinski. I saw him out there. Well, y'all, we have made it home from a very scary day on the water. You know, the morning, super calm, not a whisper of wind. Actually, the bugs were horrendous this morning. You know, right there about 10:30, 11 o'clock, the wind picked up quick out of nowhere. They ended up calling the tournament at 12:30. So, luckily, I was in an area where I was able to get out of the insane waves fairly quickly. Some of the other guys in the tournament weren't, and I think we had 5 kayaks go over, but luckily none of them were, from what I heard at the award ceremony, it was fairly close to shore and everybody made it out safe, so that's a good thing. But you know, another great turnout for the charity event. Thought I'd do a little better in the tournament, but was only able to bring 2 fish to the kayak. I was joking with everybody at the award ceremony saying that I only caught 2 fish because my bites weren't supposed to come till 1 o'clock and the tournament got called at 12:30. Definitely not the case, but funny joke. But anyways, I ended up finishing 37th with them 2 little fish. Needless to say, I had a great time. It was for a great cause, suicide awareness. That unfortunately, more people than not, suicide has affected them in their life one way, shape, or form. It was for a good cause. It was great to see everybody again at the award ceremony. Haven't seen a lot of the guys all winter, so it was good to see them. And we raised, it was a little over $5,000 for local suicide awareness. So with that being said, that's going to be the end of this video. I'm not sure what the next video is going to be. We're going to try to get out and do a little fishing, or this month coming up in a week or so is going to be busy. We got a lot of tournaments. We're going to be getting a lot of fun fishing too here because the weather's going to turn for the better. So with that being said, I'm going to sign off of here, and I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe. Also, you can follow me on my social medias. They will be linked down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.